Nice and slow. You can maybe start with that one.
You guys want to do that, or do you want me to play that on the...
I figured we could play that.
Whatever.
I have a recording of that.
Or flat, whichever one.
If you guys want to do something else. What do you think over there?
What do you want?
Pretzel man?
Should we do reflect?
I guess, yeah.
Reflect? Alright, this one's called Reflect. Check it out.
Wake up feeling empty from last night. You threw your feelings away. Take a good look in the mirror. Are you secure with the person you see? And if you're having doubts, then wash your face and make sure your hands are clean. The bottom of the bottle's not the answer, but the problem you'll see. And what makes you think? What makes you think you're so damn powerful? You're not invincible, no. And what makes you think? What makes you think you're indestructible? No one's that powerful, no. Addicted to the pain, you pop another one and swallow your pride. Looking for a quick fix to relax your mind, set your feelings aside. Living in the fast lane is a gamble when you're playing for keeps. You hold your head and wonder, so confused you can't remember a thing. It's happening so fast, make no mistakes now, or the price you will pay. Focus on the present, for tomorrow could be taken away. And what makes you think? What makes you think you're so damn powerful? You're not invincible, no. And what makes you think? What makes you think you're indestructible? No one's that powerful, no. You always wanted more. Until you hit the floor. And what makes you think? What makes you think you're so damn powerful? You're not invincible, no. And what makes you think? What makes you think you're indestructible? No one's that powerful, no.
Nice.
Alright.
Very nice, guys. I like that. Good voice, man. You got a good voice, man. You know, you remind me of somebody. I can't think of who it is, though.
I know exactly who that somebody is. Oh, you know what? They might hate me if I guess wrong, but I'm gonna say maybe. What do you think? Like kind of like a Sublime kind of feel?
Yeah, definitely.